how to find events, suggestions, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find events, suggestions, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down until you find settings and then click here notifications and go down, click events, and now here you will find the suggestions. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.